Hey, boss up, baby. We got another freight run. You know these gear gaps, man. I hop on these gear gaps whenever I see a good one. Cherry picking and stacking. So today we got a good freight run. First time coming to Lowe's. I'm out. We're at Lowe's today, and I'm gonna show you how much we're getting paid. All right, so we got a 3-mile trip for a total of $32. So this was like a 5-mile deadhead from my office ECO Suites over here, East Point, and we finna get to it. Let's see what we gotta pick up. Look like a big item. Yes, get it. So it say go to the pickup counter. Where's the pickup counter? Pickup counter. Pick up. Here we go. We at the pickup. Oh. Man, bro look like he ain't trying to help nobody. Well, we got the good Christmas stuff in here. Some Christmas lights, Christmas ornaments. Pretty nice Lowe's. I don't really come over here as much as I should. Lowe's is way better than Home Depot. I do a couple of Home Depot orders for Rhodey, and yeah, Lowe's is more nicer. That's not good English. More nicer. It's better. But yeah, I mean, just gotta wait around here. Somebody help me. We'll see what we got in a second. All right, so the guy actually rolled it on out here on the cart. We got 2 windows out here today at the Lowe's. Pretty light, like 40 pounds each, total weight 100 pounds. Like I said, I'm only going 3 miles, so I'm gonna take you on the video ride. Probably stay logged in till we get to the location. Pathfinder making me good money today. All right, let's ride. I had to fix my phone so it stay up here. All right, so where we going? Where is this place? Speed this part up in the video. We're gonna get it. Moving and grooving. 3 miles. So confirm pickup. We got the pack. We got the load. Now we're ready to roll. Need to put my seatbelt on. Safety first. All right, here, peoples. Click it or blick it. Hope I'm going the right way.
Starting route to 3530 Old Fairburn Road.
Oh, Buster, you ready?
In 3/4 mile, take a slight right turn to merge onto I-285.
Right, I'm getting it. Well, yeah, man. Boss up, man. I love these little easy peasy little rides. Quick and simple. Easy. The Lowe's got loaded the windows for me. I'm gonna get these people. I'm dropping them off to the unload. It ain't touching nothing. Touching Nathaniel. On the boy. What this guy got going on right there, man? Scared, man. Scared. Look at these trucks. People scared to drive around big trucks, man. Just move around these folks. Just give yourself proper clearance. Whenever you're driving around big trucks, man, just give yourself proper clearance so they can see you. You can't see their mirrors, they can't see you. Oh, they go Medline. Shout out to Medline. Let me show y'all the Medline. Medline Driver, that's another good company. Great company to do medical courier work, but instead of doing, prescriptions and blood samples, you're actually delivering large medical equipment in this truck right here. So this guy got all type of stuff in that Medline. So if y'all interested in, you got a box truck, a cargo van, you want to do large medical equipment like beds and X-ray machines and stuff like that, that's what they haul with Medline. So get on in with them. I did a long form video if y'all interested in medical liners. All right, so we still rolling. long time, go 3 miles. Y'all need traffic lights. We're in a busy commerce area. So it's kind of busy. Oh, okay, my bad. I put the phone back on the phone holder. It cut off on. Must have hit the wrong button. Oh, we still rolling, man. We on the highway. We got 2 more miles up to 3 miles to go. Took a wrong turn. And a quick U-turn. It's all good. You rolling, baby? You're right around and we getting there. I'm a Bud City boy. Call it Paul.
Use the right lane to take exit 1 onto Washington Road.
Washington Road. Come in the hood for sure. It's the big shorty. Now she wanna Now she wanna party. Hey.
Right onto Washington Road.
And we got 1 more mile, about 3 mile trip to go. We almost there. Could have been there if I didn't make the wrong turn. Could have been there if I just kept straight. Could have been there, but we almost there now. Yeah.
Turn right onto Roosevelt
And there's an
Highway.
accident right here. What is y'all boys doing? Why is the truck stuck in the middle of the road? Oh. Stuck in the middle of the road. What do I know? Yeah. 0.5 miles to go, man. We almost there. Y'all almost there. Took me 10 minutes to go 3 miles. But it's all to the good. The constructions. Like construction still going on. That's good for the economy. That's good for money. People still building. They building a house, putting new windows. What I'm delivering to. It's good money right there. It's good signs. Good signs. Look house. Now she wanna party and she wanna party.
Turn right onto Roosevelt Highway.
Her. So far. Oh, we turned down the deep one.
Turn left.
Oh, my hills. What is 44 degrees this morning in Georgia. It's 51 now. Yeah, man, gig apps. You got to get in with these gig apps fast, man. These gig apps have become oversaturated. Partially my fault, me telling you guys about all these fabulous gig apps. Now they have waiting lists and now these gig apps. All right, so we are at the destination. I had to recalculate my GPS for a minute. Down a dead end road. I've been living over here, this area, my whole life and did not know there were houses down the street. Very old houses. So we are at a house. Not used, well, this actually is my second time coming to a residential location. I guess I'm in the right one. Double check you. $35.30. Yep, that's him. All right. Yep, let's go and get to delivering, guys. Not sure where they want this at. All right, y'all. So I'm just gonna drop it off and leave it at the front door. And this is everything. All right, so I did have to take the window out. Window's about 40 pounds a piece. A little heavier than I expected. Be moving around this morning, but it's all right. A little $33 for these 3 miles. About 20 minutes. By the time I left, picked up the stuff and got here. I did have to wait around at Lowe's for a little while. But look though, look at this house. I don't know who, establishment, compound, what's going on right here. But all right, somebody music related. Got a call box out here. This shit looks fire.